Today I will be testing another portable car screen. This is a 9.3-inch wide IPS touchscreen from the Imagebon brand. It is ideal for cars that do not have a multimedia screen or for cars with a screen but without CarPlay functionality. So in this video, we will set up this portable screen in my car and test all the different functions and features. First, let's have a quick look at all the specifications. This is a 9.3-inch IPS touchscreen with dual cameras. On front there is a 4K Ultra HD camera, and on the rear there is a 1080p Full HD parking camera. It also has the advanced driver assistance system. It's got the all-important wireless CarPlay and the wireless Android Auto functionality. You can also get the GPS navigation on the screen. And last but not the least, you can transmit the audio from this screen to the sound system of your car. This is a simple plug-and-play device that can work in any car with a cigarette lighter adapter. Now let's first do the unboxing to check out the contents of this box, and then I will take this out to my car, set it up and test all the different functions and features. Keep watching, guys. Alright, so this is all we get inside the box. This is a 64 GB SD memory card as a gift. Then you also get the rear view camera. This is a 1080p camera, and it's got a very long cable, so you can easily connect this with the car. Then you've got the power adapter. This is a cigarette lighter power adapter. Then you get a user manual. You also get a GPS antenna. Then you've got a very long aux cable for the audio. And then you get two brackets. This is a suction cup bracket, and this is a dashboard bracket. So this is what you would need if you want to stick the screen with windshield of the car. So you need this suction cup, and this end connects with the back of the screen. But if you want to put the screen on the dashboard, then you would need this mounting bracket. So you connect the screen with this at the back, and then this sits on the dashboard. So as you can see, all the accessories are available inside the box. Alright, so now let's have a closer look at the screen. So this is a 9.3-inch IPS touchscreen. It's a very nice and wide screen. Now the weight is okay. It's not very heavy. It's an average weight. You've got a screen protector on top of it. Now looking at the back, this is the front cam. Now this is a 4K Ultra HD front cam, which is quite nice, and you can actually move the lens to adjust it. Then at the back you also have these brackets for the mounting. This comes with built-in speakers, so you can see the built-in speaker here. Now in terms of the connections, on this side you've got a USB connection and the aux cable connection, and then on the other side you have all the other connections. So you've got Type-C, this is for the power. Then you have audio visual in. You also have a slot for the SD memory card, and then finally a jack for the rear view camera here. Alright, so as you can see, it's a very simple device when it comes to connections. 9.3-inch is quite a decent size, I must say. I really like this front 4K camera, and on top you also have the power button. But that's it, guys. A very simple device. Now let me take this out and connect it in my car, and then we will test all the different functions and features of this 9.3-inch Imagebon portable multimedia car screen. So keep watching, guys. Alright guys, so I've set this up in my car on the dashboard of my car. Now I already have a screen in my car, so I would not actually install this, but just for the test today I've put this on the dashboard. So this is a cigarette lighter. I've connected it at the back of the screen. Now let me connect this to power, and we will also check how long does this take to start when we switch on the car, right? So there you go. I've put in the adapter. Starts right away. Alright, so probably 3 to 5 seconds at max. A very good startup speed, I must say. Now this is the main home page or the landing page of this portable car screen. What you get to see on the right side is the camera. This is the front cam, and you can change this if you have a rear view camera installed. In fact, you can also have a split screen where you have front camera and the rear view camera side by side. So this is the main home page. You've got Apple CarPlay icon here, Android Auto, you've got the files. In the files you have all the recorded footage from the cameras. Then you've got the FM transmitter. This FM transmitter helps you to connect the sound from the screen to the sound system of your car. Then you've got some settings, dash cam, and then this is the view of the front camera. Now if you click on this, you actually get to see the full screen. Click on settings. Now within settings you've got the system settings here, where you've got this advanced driver assist system. I've switched it on. You've got streaming, so that is also on. Projection mode, which is the split screen. You can put the screen on sleep after 5, 10, 15 seconds. So if you click on this, 10 seconds, 30, 1 minute, and switch it off. Storage, I've put in a SD memory card. 8 GB of that is used, and we still have 29 GB, which is the full capacity. Then you've got the language. You can change the language, and there are quite a few languages in this screen. You can set up the time, and then you can also change the driver selection, either right hand drive or left hand drive. Okay, coming back, then you've got the video. Now you can also have a lot of settings for the video. So the resolution, I've put this as 4K. Then you can also set a duration for the recording. So I've set it up for 5 minutes. Then you've got the recording footage, so 265 or 264. Then you also have collision sensitivity. You can set this to high, low, or off. Then you've got the mirror, preview mirror on, and then the sound recording option here. Now coming back, you can also set up the brightness. I've set this to full. Then you have audio, so you can set up audio, volume control, key buttons, and switch on, off. I've set everything on at the moment. Then you've got the Wi-Fi information here as well. You can format the USB drive or the SD card, reset of the factory settings, and that's it. So come back, you can go back to Dashcam. This is the full view, and then within this you can go to settings, and you can get to see all the different settings again. Alright, so you've got the mic here. This is for the photos. This is recording the footage which is happening right now because of this red dot. And then you've got the settings again. You can lock the screen, and then you have this option here helps you to adjust the screen in terms of the lane on the car. So if you long press this button here, then you get to actually adjust the screen as per the lanes on the road, so vertically and horizontally, which is a good thing. And if you swipe right, you get to see the rear view footage. Now I have not connected the camera, that's why it's giving me this message, but if I had connected it, I would get to see the view from the rear view camera as well. Alright, so I really like the front camera, to be honest. The footage is recorded in 4K and it's ultra high definition. You know, you can have the lanes with or without lanes, and you can see this is the footage on the portable screen, but I can take the SD card and put it in my laptop and then see the same footage on a full screen. Yeah, so as you can see now, this is the footage that I've transferred to my computer, and it's very, very clear. It's very crisp. You can easily make out everything here. The number plates on the car are clearly visible. The signs are visible as well. Yeah, once again, I think the 4K camera on this screen is amazing. Alright, so in terms of connecting the audio, you just need to click on this FM icon here, and then you get a choice of either using the speaker on this portable screen or transferring the audio to the system of your car through the FM transmitter, which is very easy. So if you want to transmit to your car, you select a frequency here and then make sure you match the same frequency on the radio of your car. So let's say 87.5 here, match this 87.5 on the radio of your car, then the audio will be synced and transmitted into your car's system. For this test, let's pick up the speaker. It's got a powerful built-in speaker. Now let's try to connect wireless Apple CarPlay. So you click on this icon here. The next step is to actually go to the iPhone. Alright, so on the iPhone, just need to open the Bluetooth settings. Then we should be able to see this new device as QCKJ, same as appearing on the screen here. We click on that. Okay, then we get this message. We say use CarPlay. Alright, then in a few seconds we should be able to see Apple CarPlay on the screen. There you go. So very simple one-time setup. Just make sure that you connect the device with your mobile's Bluetooth to use Apple CarPlay, and every time you switch on the car, the device will automatically detect the connection on your mobile and take you directly to the home page of Apple CarPlay that looks like this. So it's a very simple one-time setup. This is the standard Apple CarPlay homepage. You've got all the standard options, icons. You can go and, for example, pick up Waze. You can have navigation running here, and in fact you can use Siri as well. And let's try that. Hey Siri, play some music.
Shuffling all songs from Apple Music.
Alright, so the song is playing. That's quite nice. Hey Siri, take me to Dubai Mall. Alright, so as you can see, navigation is fine. You can play music through Siri. Now basically this is Apple CarPlay, right? It's connected with your mobile. It's using your mobile's navigation, mobile's internet data. It's playing a playlist from your iPhone. And the good thing is it's all side by side, right? You can have navigation on this side, and then you can also have the dash cam view on the right side. Then you can also use Siri to make phone calls on the screen. So, hey Siri, call Ipster.
Calling Ipster home.
So that's my other cell phone. Now let's try to connect the wireless Android Auto for Android mobile users. So basically you click on this home, takes you back to this page, and then we click on wireless Android Auto. And then we just have to follow the same steps, exact same steps to connect to the wireless Android Auto. So basically we just go to our Android phone, go to the settings and open Bluetooth, and then we should be able to see the same device, QCKJ. Click on that and then pair the device, and then in a few seconds we should be able to see the home page of the wireless Android Auto. Alright, so this is the main home page of Android Auto. This is the landing page. You just click on continue, and then you see the navigation here. There you go. So this is again the split screen like we saw in Apple CarPlay. You've got navigation here and then media, and then on the right side you've got the dash cam. Now if you click on these dots here, it takes you to the full app view. Now these are all the different apps available on this Android mobile that I have connected. So you have all the standard ones. In fact, you can go to settings and change the look and feel. You can change the wallpaper and the icons and so on. And again, it's the same functionality. It's wireless Android Auto. So you can have navigation. You can also make calls. You can listen to your music. That's it, friends. So this was a very quick review of this Imagebon portable car screen. We've tested so many different functions and features. Everything worked amazingly well. Very impressed with the front 4K Ultra HD camera and the result and the clarity and the crispness of those videos. You can easily read out the different number plates as well. Wireless CarPlay and wireless Android was very quick good to connect, very easy plug and play kind of a setup. Really like that. But all in all, you know, quite impressed with this. Highly recommend this, especially to those people who don't have a multimedia screen in their car, or for those who have a screen but no CarPlay functionality. So guys, if you're interested, just go to the link in the description of this video that takes you directly to the Imagebon webpage where you can buy this nice portable car screen. That's it guys. Thanks for watching this video.